Today we have a really cool Datsun 240Z. It is, for the most part, one owner from new, but we'll get back to that during the road test. So come on, we're gonna do our cold start, fire it up, and get on the road. Let's go. Well, here is our cold start. It's been outside all day. Like a charming little Datsun. Okay, so let's go. Charming, cool cars. You know, the Japanese E-Type. Nice little moonroof here. Air conditioning. Woo! But it's 50 degrees out, so no reason to use that right now. Great oil pressure. The rest of it is not even warm yet. Let's try the radio. Well, I'm not going to say that it's a concert hall, but you've got a radio. This was effectively, it's like 1.5 owners. So the original owner sold it to a really good friend who kept it for several years, and then the first owner really missed it, so he repurchased the car, and I feel it's, you know, 65,000 miles from new in almost one owner. Never been rusty. It runs like a bear, which we will not do until we get to the curvaceous road. Purrs like a kitten. Never been smoked in. Look at that. Okay, well, she's all warmed up. I can say this Z has been taken care of. It's got a bit of suspension, exhaust. It is really a lot of fun to drive. It was in the previous ownership. I do believe the gentleman also had a Ferrari and has constantly said that he's enjoyed driving this just as much, if not more. It's fun on back roads. They're really not maintenance nightmares. They're tossable. I mean, it really is a lot of car for the money, but very hard to find good ones since they did rust pretty easily when you just look at them. Hey, neighbor. Just easy to use. Great shifter, light clutch, wonderful brakes. You know, you can see why so many people love them, cherish them, enjoyed them, and still do. Fifth gear, which you will find on, well, which we will try on the farm road, is a great cruising gear. I mean, you could just cruise at speed all day long. It is got good power from its straight six. Well, let's get on the back road here. Let's get on a little bit. Really fun and possible. Light on its toes. Really good power. It's one of the nicest ones we've had. It's really tight, solid. It's going to brake right here. Not brake like brake, but we're going to brake. And we're going to let Jason out of the car. goodbyes being part of the past. We're going to head towards the farm road, the FFR. I can say that everything is working in this car. I think, except for the clock, it is really fun on the back roads. It's got really good power. It's nimble, as I've said. It's tight. Sounds good. It's really got a really nice shifter mechanism, easy to drive as well, and light on its feet. We're going to go through the gears first. Second, as you can see, a nice little snick here. Third. Fourth. Fifth, and cruising at 60. Really easy. Just fun, fun, fun. Fourth. Third. And if you get on it, it's got really good power. See, it brakes really well as well and straight. And we're going to bring it back to the homestead, run it through the shop a little bit, make sure everything is nice and tight and ready to go, because it has sat for a little while in the collection. And thank you all for watching again.
Thank you for watching.
Really nice 240Z for the taking. See ya.